Miles beneath the surface, where sunlight can no longer penetrate, exists an eerie world of cold darkness. This is the abyss. It is a world of strange and sometimes grotesque forms. Some of the animals here have evolved the ability to create their own light with a technique known as bioluminescence. The mystery of the ocean lies in its vast, creates an environment that is difficult to study, and the floor remains unmapped, harboring countless unknown creatures and phenomena, making it essentially an alien world on Earth, with scientists estimating that over 90% of ocean species are yet to be discovered, leaving a sense of intrigue around what could be lurking in the darkness. This vastness, combined with the extreme pressure and lack of light in the deep sea, creates an environment that is difficult to study and full of potential for surprising discoveries. Welcome to the deep ocean, a place of extremes where the rules of life are rewritten, where creatures adapt to an environment most of us cannot even fathom. Just beneath the surface of our oceans lies a world so alien, so unexplored, that more than 80% of it remains a mystery. A world of darkness, pressure, and creatures that defy imagination. Welcome to the hidden depths of the ocean. Here, at the very bottom of the ocean, the landscape is as varied as any mountain range. The ocean floor is shaped by the powerful forces of nature, from the towering peaks of underwater mountains to the deepest trenches on Earth. This hidden world is constantly shifting. At the deepest point of all the world's oceans lies the Mariana Trench, over 36,000 feet below the surface. It is here in these extreme depths that life thrives in ways we can barely comprehend. At the bottom of the ocean, beneath miles of water, is a world shaped by the forces of nature, volcanic ridges, massive underwater mountains, and the deepest trenches on Earth. These seafloor formations create vast, alien-like landscapes, where the temperature hovers near freezing and the pressure is hundreds of times that of the surface. Please subscribe, share and like my video as we explore the ocean of the world. At the bottom of the ocean, beneath miles of water, is a world shaped by the forces of nature, volcanic ridges, massive underwater mountains, and the deepest trenches on Earth. This hidden realm is a testament to the dynamic processes that have sculpted our planet over millions of years. The ocean floor is a mosaic of geological wonders, each feature telling a story of Earth's fiery and tumultuous past. The deepest ocean trenches, like the Mariana Trench, plunge to depths that are almost unimaginable. These trenches are formed by the movement of tectonic plates, where one plate is forced beneath another in a process known as subduction. This geological activity not only creates these deep chasms, but also triggers underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions, further shaping the seafloor. These seafloor formations create vast, alien-like landscapes, where the temperature hovers near freezing and the pressure is hundreds of times that of the surface. The environment here is so extreme that it challenges our understanding of life and survival. The high-pressure conditions compress everything, making it a realm where only the most specialized organisms can thrive. Here, at the deepest point in the world, the Mariana Trench, over 36,000 feet of water presses down from above. The trench is a dark, cold and high-pressure environment that seems inhospitable, yet it is teeming with life. The creatures that inhabit this abyss have adapted in remarkable ways to survive the crushing pressure and the absence of light. This is one of the most hostile environments on Earth, and yet life persists. The organisms found here are unlike any other, having evolved unique adaptations to cope with the extreme conditions. Some produce their own light through bioluminescence, while others have developed extraordinary methods to find food and mates in the darkness. In this black abyss, we find some of the most extraordinary creatures on the planet. From the eerie anglerfish with its glowing lure to the giant squid with its massive eyes, these deep-sea inhabitants are a testament to the resilience of life. Each species has carved out a niche in this harsh environment, contributing to a complex and fascinating ecosystem. Hydrothermal vents, cracks in the Earth's crust, spew superheated water rich in minerals. These vents are like underwater geysers, releasing plumes of mineral-laden water that can reach temperatures of up to 400 degrees Celsius. Despite the extreme heat, these vents are oases of life, providing the necessary nutrients for a variety of organisms. These underwater volcanoes sustain entire ecosystems, despite the lack of sunlight. The organisms here rely on chemosynthesis, a process where bacteria convert the chemicals from the vent water into energy. This forms the base of a unique food web, supporting a diverse array of life, from giant tube worms to shrimp and crabs. The discovery of these ecosystems has revolutionized our understanding of life on Earth, showing that life can thrive in the most unexpected places. Life in the deep ocean is a tale of adaptation. The deep sea, a realm of perpetual darkness and crushing pressure, is home to some of the most extraordinary and bizarre creatures on our planet. These creatures have evolved unique adaptations to survive in an environment that is as alien to us as the surface of another world. In the eternal darkness, many creatures have developed the remarkable ability to glow, a trait that is not just for show, but a crucial survival mechanism. This ability, known as bioluminescence, is a chemical reaction that produces light within an organism's body. Producing their own light in a phenomenon known as bioluminescence, these creatures use this glow for various purposes. Some use it to attract mates, while others use it to communicate or to camouflage themselves against the faint light from above, making them invisible to predators lurking below. But why do they shine? Take the anglerfish, for example. This eerie predator uses its glowing appendage to lure unsuspecting prey into its grasp. The anglerfish's bioluminescent lure dangles in front of its mouth, mimicking the appearance of a small, helpless creature. When a curious fish approaches, the anglerfish snaps its powerful jaws shut, capturing its meal in an instant. This eerie predator uses its glowing appendage to lure unsuspecting prey into its grasp. The anglerfish's lure is not just a simple light, it can also emit different colors and patterns to attract a variety of prey. This adaptability makes the anglerfish a formidable hunter in the dark depths of the ocean. In a world of darkness, light is both a weapon and a survival tool. Bioluminescence can also be used defensively. Some deep-sea creatures, when threatened, release a cloud of glowing fluid to confuse and deter predators, giving them a chance to escape. And then there's the giant squid. This elusive creature has fascinated humans for centuries, inspiring myths and legends of sea monsters. The giant squid is one of the largest invertebrates on Earth, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 40 feet. A creature so elusive it has become the stuff of legend. Despite its size, the giant squid is rarely seen by humans, living at depths where sunlight never penetrates. Its massive eyes, the largest in the animal kingdom, are specially adapted to detect the faintest traces of light, allowing it to spot prey and predators in the pitch-black waters. With eyes the size of dinner plates, these mysterious animals can grow up to 40 feet long, their long curling tentacles reaching out into the inky black. These tentacles are equipped with powerful suckers and sharp hooks, which the squid uses to capture and hold onto its prey. Their long, curling tentacles reaching out into the inky black. The giant squid's tentacles are not just for hunting, they also play a role in reproduction. During mating, the male squid uses a specialized arm to transfer packets of sperm to the female, ensuring the continuation of their species in the deep ocean. Jellyfish, ancient and otherworldly, float through the deep. These gelatinous creatures have been around for over 500 million years, making them one of the oldest living groups of animals on Earth. Their simple yet effective body structure has allowed them to thrive in the deep sea, where they drift with the currents in search of food. Their fragile bodies, like translucent ghosts, are equipped with venomous tentacles to paralyze prey before drifting away as part of the silent rhythm of the deep. These tentacles can deliver a powerful sting, immobilizing small fish and other prey, which the jellyfish then pulls into its mouth to consume, before drifting away as part of the silent rhythm of the deep. The jellyfish's slow, graceful movements are a stark contrast to the violent way it captures its prey. This duality is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of deep-sea creatures. Creatures like the gulper eel possess jaws so large they can consume prey up to half their size. The gulper eel's enormous mouth can open wide enough to swallow prey much larger than itself, making it a formidable predator in the deep sea. These eerie beings lie in wait in the deep silence of the abyss, where meals are few and far between. The gulper eel's long, slender body allows it to navigate the narrow crevices and trenches of the ocean floor, where it waits patiently for an unsuspecting prey to pass by, where meals are few and far between. In the deep ocean, food is scarce, and every meal is a precious opportunity for survival. Deep-sea creatures have evolved to make the most of these rare opportunities, using their unique adaptations to capture and consume whatever prey they can find. The deep ocean is a place of mystery and wonder, where life has adapted to thrive in the most extreme conditions. From the glowing lights of bioluminescent creatures to the massive eyes of the giant squid, the deep sea is a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. As we continue to explore the depths of the ocean, we are constantly discovering new species and learning more about the complex ecosystems that exist far below the surface. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the mysteries of the deep and the remarkable creatures that call it home. Deep-sea exploration is not without its challenges. The extreme pressure, cold temperatures, and complete darkness make it a difficult environment to study. However, advances in technology have allowed scientists to venture deeper than ever before, revealing the hidden wonders of the deep ocean. Submersibles and remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, have become essential tools for deep-sea research. These advanced machines can withstand the harsh conditions of the deep ocean, allowing scientists to observe and collect samples from depths that were once thought to be unreachable. The samples collected from these expeditions provide valuable insights into the biology and ecology of deep-sea creatures. By studying these samples, scientists can learn more about how these animals have adapted to their extreme environment and how they interact with each other and their surroundings. The deep ocean remains one of the last great frontiers of exploration on our planet. As we continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge, we are reminded of the incredible diversity of life that exists in even the most inhospitable places. The creatures of the deep are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life, and they continue to inspire awe and wonder in all who study them. The creatures of the deep ocean are a reminder of the vastness and mystery of our planet. They challenge our understanding of life and push the limits of what we thought was possible. As we continue to explore the depths, we are sure to uncover even more astonishing secrets and marvels that lie hidden beneath the waves. Deep beneath the surface, in the most ecosystem that is completely isolated, vents create life in ways we never imagined possible. Without sunlight, these vents support entire communities of life, powered not by photosynthesis but by the chemistry of the Earth itself. Tube worms, some reaching lengths of up to 10 feet, thrive in this chemical soup. Their bodies host bacteria that convert the minerals from the vent into food, creating an ecosystem that is completely isolated from the sun. Alongside them, vent shrimp, crabs and clams, creatures that could never survive without the raw energy provided by the earth, dance in the ever-flowing mineral-rich waters. Above the abyss, some of the largest creatures on Earth navigate the ocean's depths. The sperm whale, capable of diving over 10,000 feet, searches for the elusive giant squid, its favorite meal. For centuries, the sperm whale and the giant squid have been locked in an epic battle of survival, one of the most elusive predator-prey relationships in the natural world. Equipped with sonar, the sperm whale dives into the depths, locating the squid using sound waves, while the squid, with its long, graceful tentacles, tries to evade capture, a true struggle for life in the extreme darkness. The deep ocean is important to Earth's climate system because it regulates currents and climate and stores carbon. The deep ocean is the largest biome on Earth and is home to many different types of life. It is characterized by extreme pressure, no light, and stable temperatures. The deep sea is the largest habitat on Earth. Despite the low temperatures, extreme ambient pressures, absence of sunlight, and low resource availability, it supports a rich abundance of life in an array of unique ecosystems. Abyssal plains cover over half the ocean floor, usually between depths of 3,000 to 6,000 meters. They're among the least explored ecosystems on Earth. Potato-sized polymetallic nodules litter the surface of the abyssal plain, formed over millions of years from metals such as iron, copper, cobalt, manganese, and nickel precipitate from seawater. These nodules provide a mosaic of hard substrate for a variety of organisms such as corals and sponges, and support diverse deep-sea communities. Nodules also host a vast array of microbial communities that play a critical role in nutrient and carbon cycling. Seamounts are underwater mountains that rise from the seabed without breaking the surface. They are biodiversity hotspots in the vast ocean that swirls around them, each one acting like a unique oasis in the desert. Seamounts affect ocean circulation and mixing, resulting in nutrient upwellings that stimulate phytoplankton growth, which in turn supports a wide array of marine life. The exposed rocks of seamounts, swept clean of sediments by ocean currents, are colonized by sessile organisms including cold-water corals and sponges, which globally host more than 1,000 different species, including shrimps, crabs, worms, and brittle stars. The deep water column, from 200 meters below the surface down to the sea floor, accounts for more than 95% of the volume of the ocean. It is vital to many of Earth's regulatory processes, including nutrient cycling, carbon cycling and storage, and heat absorption. The ocean has absorbed over 90% of the excess heat generated by the burning of fossil fuels. Much of this heat has been transported to the deep by ocean currents. Deep-sea mining. Amongst the biological riches of the seabed, embedded into its ecosystems are minerals like copper, cobalt, nickel, and manganese. Their potential industrial value means that prospectors are keen to extract these minerals, so a new, highly speculative deep-sea mining industry is emerging. Opposing deep-sea mining. But opposition to deep-sea mining from governments, scientists, indigenous groups, coastal communities, business, the financial sector, and many civil society organizations is growing. Opponents say the impacts are poorly understood and the risks unacceptable, and that investment should instead focus on alternatives for a just green transition. Many are also asking serious questions about the effectiveness of the ISA, the body that is mandated to protect the deep sea in the international areas of the ocean for the benefit of humankind. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the ocean's depths. Remember, the ocean is more than just a world to explore. It is a world to protect. Please share and subscribe to my channel.